He's fucking stalking me. The camera turned off, so I had to turn it back on. The house's light is on. What's that red thing? The devil telling them not to break into that house again. Oh, it looks like a utility belt. It's just weird. Yeah, I heard someone speaking Russian out here. See that right there? They left everything here. Like, what is that right here? La Palm, 1 gallon. Spa produce. Yeah, they're wasting my fucking time, dude. I gotta go inside. The bugs are biting my feet, dude. It's really hot in here, dude. Yeah, it's 100 degrees in my house, but outside it's like 70 degrees, 80 degrees. Sir, what is your name?
Raymond.
Raymond. Oh, so you're a rapist. So you're a rapist.
Rapist? Oh. Oh my God.
Yeah, so I saw you guys broke my I saw you guys broke our air conditioner earlier today. And then you came by to fix it again. How long is it gonna take you to fix this machine? Sir. Now he fucking stupid.
Hey, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Okay? I don't give a fuck if you're sick in the head. Don't fuck with me.
Oh, so
you understand?
So you think I'm sick in the head?
Do you understand what
We
I'm
don't
telling
need you here. We don't need you here.
You don't fucking know me. Don't talk to me that way. Get the fuck away from me. I'm here to help your fucking family.
No, you're
Stop.
not.
So don't fucking talk to me.
Đi vào nhà mau.
See how
Đi
mad?
vào nhà.
Fucking stupid.
Đi vào.
Oh, they heard everything.
Cha mày cái con này. Quá bộ cách đời.
Hey, every single time you see Raymond, call him fucking stupid. Now my mom in fight mode because we call Raymond fucking stupid. So anyways, we have him on camera. He broke the air conditioner earlier today. And he tried to call me mentally ill because he would not answer my question. How long is it gonna take you to finish this machine? And yeah, you know what? Calling a Mexican man stupid will probably get you arrested. But right now that the house is really hot. It's over 110 degrees in here. And that guy was Diego Rodriguez and Andy Hyun. One of their clones, their mixed clone. And knowing him, he's not gonna fix it today. It's not gonna be fixed today at all because he's that fucking stupid. If you've ever had a Mexican person try to service your house, oh hey, I try to help your family, it's not gonna be done today. It's not gonna be done today. I've dealt with these people before. They're gonna have to come another 2 to 3 times before it's actually fucking finished. That's how stupid they are. Call a Mexican man stupid, the whole world go to fucking war. Protests all over the fucking streets. That's just a big ass fucking statement to them. So he's trying to call the cops right now, right? Yeah, he said, Dungroy, I'm going to call the cops. So he said he's going to call the cops on me because I called him stupid. Anyways, I'm going to hang up the phone and I'm going to call the police because Dylan Farrell told me to call the police. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye guys.